Okay. Yeah. So VLAN 10 is finished. Now we will look for VLAN 20. Sky color is for VLAN 20. So this should be 192.168.20.1, right? And I will, sorry, 20.1. We will paste this inside. And gateway should be 20.100. One PC finish. Later we will use the DHCP server. So no need to give the IP. Automatically they will get the IP. We will not have this headache to give the computer IPs like this. So this one I will assign here. Finish here will be 20.3, and I will put this here. Everything is okay, right? Last thing I think here. So let's put here also this thing. We will see if we miss anything. I think VLAN 20 good. We need to do 30. 30 is there, yes. So 192.168.30.1, and here I will go. Let me assign here, and this should be 30.100. Here I will put 30.2 and copy, and let's go inside 30.100. This one last, we have one more, so this is 3. We can assign here, I think, yeah, 100, and then this PC, this should be 30.4. Here I can put 100, and now everything is okay, right? IP schema is finished. Now we need to do the configuration. Till now no confusion, right? Yeah, correct. So now we will do the configuration. So here I can say switch 1 configuration. Yes. So enable config T host name SW1. I need to enable the routing here, IP routing, because whenever we are doing the Intervlan, we need to enable the IP routing. Then only Intervlan will work. Intervlan is nothing but routing only. Okay, so let's see. I will write here IP routing. And after that, what we can do, like here, let's create the VLAN. So I will write VLAN 10, name is IT, VLAN 20, name is what name, HR, VLAN 30, what is name, sales, okay. And what else we need to do? We need to assign the port, and we need to do the Intervlan. So Intervlan, you remember, we will write interface VLAN 10, then IP address, and whatever gateway we decided, we will put that gateway. So this one is I am doing. Correct me if I miss anything here. I will write no shit. That's all, right? This is for VLAN 10. This is for VLAN 20. Yes, ports we will do after this one. We can do anything, maybe port first, port last, anything we can do. So I am just doing this Intervlan. Then we will do the configuration of the port. 30. Correct, yes. When we do the Intervlan, that will be the gateway IP we will assign. So this still here is okay, right? First we change the name, we enable the routing in the layer 3 switch, we created the VLAN, we assign the IP address inside that VLAN, that is nothing but SVI, switch virtual interface we are calling this. After that we will put the port. If you see, this port is not in that particular VLAN, it is connecting to other switch. If it is connecting to other switch, then we need to configure as a trunk. So yes, so we can see here F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3, F0 by 4. So I can do this way. Yes, yes, we can make as a range. So if I do first enable config T host name SW1 interface range F0 by 1 dash 4, right, till 4. How many we have here? If you see, till 4. Then switch port, if you write switch port mode trunk, it will not work. It is going to give you the error because this is a layer 3 switch. So in the layer 3 switch, when you are trying to make the configuration, you need to write this command, but first you need to write one more. After that you need to write this. What is that one more? Means switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1q. Then you need to write switch port mode trunk. If it is a layer 2, then only this one command is sufficient. As this is a layer 3, so we need to write. Yeah, if it is layer 2 only, you will write this. Like example, I want to make this as a trunk, I can use only this single command. It will become trunk. But this is layer 3, so when I am trying to do with single command, it is giving the error. Rejected, rejected, rejected. We need to put this command. No, we are making trunk only, but what we need to remember? We need to remember this condition. If you are making trunk, like let me write here interface range F0 by 1 dash 4, and this, after that we will put this. If you want to configure the interface as a trunk, generally we are not writing this, we are writing only this. You remember, right? Yes. So we need to write this one also. First this, then second this. Any doubts here? Yeah. Any confusion? Any? Yeah. So what now we need to remember, if we are using layer 3 switch and you want to make as a trunk port, then we need to write this first, then second this. So this one is the configuration of the layer 3 switch. I will copy and I will paste. This one already we done physically, so I can copy from here to here and I can paste. Let me paste here, and here everything is okay, right? You need to observe, sometime here we will get the error, but now if you see nothing is coming here, so everything is okay. Everything look like okay, no issue here. Because sometime when we see, you will get some spelling mistake, something, we will have issue. But now everything is good, so we can save the configuration. And if you want to verify, we can write show IP interface brief to check the interface status. So when I write show IP interface brief, if you write here, you can see this is the interface you have. Normally whatever the interface which is connected, it go up. Excuse me. Whatever interface we connected here, that interface go up, but we assign IP. We assign IP where? We assign the IP inside the VLAN. So here if you see, we are using VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30. So we have this VLAN and we assign the IP address here. So this, okay, no confusion here, everything is good here. Now we will go for the second switch configuration. Here I will write switch to configuration. Okay, what I will do, enable config T host name, same thing what we done, switch to, and if you want we can copy and paste here this three thing, this one from here to here I can paste. And after that what we need to do, we need to configure this port, whatever port is connecting to other switch, trunk, but already it will be trunk. If you remember DTP, because of DTP, if one side of the cable, if one side is configured as a trunk, other side is also